Embark on an interstellar artistic voyage with me as we uncover the brilliance of 10 remarkable sci-fi artists and their unique visions of the future. From the enchanting interplanetary landscapes of Aurora Starlight to the cybernetic dreamscapes crafted by Nexus Synthwave, we will delve into the rich tapestry of futuristic aesthetics that have shaped our collective imagination of tomorrow. These visionary artists have left their indelible mark on the world of sci-fi art through mediums such as book covers, film concept art, comics, and beyond. Get ready to soar into the stratosphere of sci-fi as we introduce you to 10 new sci-fi artists. Aurora Starlight, renowned for her breathtaking depictions of alien worlds and cosmic wonders, Aurora Starlight's art transports us to distant realms where imagination knows no bounds. Nexus Synthwave, a master of blending cyberpunk and retro-futuristic elements, Nexus Synthwave's creations pulse with neon-infused energy, inviting us to explore dystopian futures. Stellar Visions. With a knack for crafting mesmerizing space operas, Stellar Visions takes us on epic journeys through the cosmos, where galaxies collide and civilizations rise and fall. Quantum Realms. Pushing the boundaries of quantum aesthetics, Quantum Realms creates mind-bending, fractal-infused artwork that challenges our perception of reality. Celestial Dreamscapes. Known for her ethereal and dreamlike compositions, Celestial Dreamscapes enchants us with surreal celestial realms that exist beyond the realm of imagination. Techno-Surrealist, a pioneer in merging technology and surrealism. Techno-Surrealist brings us face-to-face with mind-bending, otherworldly landscapes where the boundaries between man and machine blur. Galactic Explorations. With a focus on scientific accuracy, Galactic Explorations unveils the wonders of the universe, from the birth of stars to the mysteries of black holes. Retro Future Visions, capturing the essence of a bygone era, Retro Future Visions pays homage to the sci-fi classics of the past, while infusing them with a contemporary twist. Neon Cosmos. In the neon-lit realms of Neon Cosmos, we witness a fusion of cyberpunk and cosmic aesthetics where vibrant cities and cosmic phenomena collide. Infinite realities, pushing the boundaries of our understanding. Infinite realities creates artwork that challenges our perceptions of space, time, and the very fabric of reality itself. As we journey through the breathtaking artistry of these 10 remarkable talents, remember that the power of AI and Midjourney 6 allows us to delve deeper into the realms of imagination than ever before. The possibilities are infinite, and the future of sci-fi art is boundless. Creating these artistic AI videos is a labor of passion, requiring meticulous prompts, creative adjustments, asset compilation, and post-production. Your support through subscriptions, likes, comments, and suggestions fuels this creative endeavor, helping us continue to merge human imagination with the limitless potential of AI. Your feedback is invaluable in our ongoing quest to push the boundaries of artistic expression. As technology and creativity converge, let's embark on this journey together and explore the endless frontiers that await us. The universe is a canvas of endless wonders, and together we shall uncover its mysteries. Until next time, may your journeys, both real and imagined, inspire and ignite the flames of creativity. Thank you for joining me on this incredible voyage.